This is gonna blow your mind. Imagine transforming your free time into a money-making machine. Are you ready to unlock a high-profit side hustle that could change your financial future in 2024? Picture yourself breaking free from the mundane routine of your 9-to-5 job, or simply adding a lucrative stream of income to your current earnings. The online world is full of opportunities waiting to be tapped. From e-commerce to freelancing, digital products to online courses, there's something for everyone. But with so many options, where do you start? It can be overwhelming to navigate through the sea of possibilities. That's where we come in. In this video, I'm going to reveal how you can start a high-profit online side hustle in 2024 that aligns with your skills and interests without overwhelming yourself in the process. Stick around, because the strategies I'm about to share could be a game changer for you. Let's dive into the online side hustle landscape. The digital world has evolved, and so have the ways to make money online. Gone are the days when just blogging or selling on eBay were your only options. Today, you can tap into a variety of high-profit ventures like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, online courses, and even becoming a content creator. But here's the thing, not all side hustles are created equal. Choosing the right side hustle is critical. First, assess your skills. Take a moment to reflect on what you're naturally good at and what you enjoy doing. This self-assessment is the foundation of your side hustle journey. Are you good at content creation? Then maybe starting a YouTube channel or a blog could be your ticket. Content creation can be incredibly rewarding, both creatively and financially. With platforms like YouTube, you can monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise. Blogging, on the other hand, offers opportunities for affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling digital products. Are you a marketing whiz? Affiliate marketing or even managing social media accounts for businesses might be more your speed. In affiliate marketing, you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. It's a great way to generate passive income. Managing social media accounts for businesses can also be lucrative, especially if you have a knack for creating engaging content and growing an audience. Your side hustle should align with what you enjoy and are good at. This is the best way to ensure you'll stick with it long enough to see real profits. Passion and proficiency are key. When you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work and you're more likely to put in the effort needed to succeed. Next, consider the market demand. Research is crucial here. Look into what people are currently interested in and what problems they need solving. This will help you identify a profitable niche. No matter how passionate you are about something, if there's no demand, you're not going to make money. It's important to balance your passion with practicality. If your chosen side hustle doesn't have a market, it's time to pivot and find something that does. Use tools like Google Trends, keyword research, and social media platforms to gauge what's trending and where there's a gap in the market. These tools can provide valuable insights into what people are searching for and talking about. By identifying trends and gaps, you can tailor your side hustle to meet existing demand. This way you can position yourself in a niche that's ready to explode. Finding a growing market can significantly increase your chances of success. Stay informed about industry trends and be ready to adapt as needed. With the right combination of passion, skills, and market demand, your side hustle can become a high-profit venture. Quick pause. If you're finding this information valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more actionable insights on building your online empire. And if you're ready to explore passive income strategies that can work alongside your side hustle, check out this video on 7 secret passive income tricks, how to make money while you sleep. The link is in the description below. Alright, now that you've got an idea of what side hustle might be right for you, let's talk about how to actually get started. Starting a side hustle can be both exciting and daunting, but with the right steps, you can set yourself up for success. The first step is setting up your online presence. This is crucial because in today's digital age, your online presence is often the first impression potential customers will have of your business. Whether it's a website, a social media profile, or an online store, this is your digital storefront. Think of it as your business card in the digital world. It needs to be inviting, informative, and easy to navigate. Your brand needs to be professional and convey trust. So invest some time in making it look good. This means choosing a clean, professional design, creating a memorable logo, and ensuring that your visuals are consistent across all platforms. Next, you'll need to build your audience or customer base. This is where your marketing efforts come into play. Content marketing, email lists, and paid advertising are great ways to get the word out. Create valuable content that resonates with your target audience, build an email list to keep them engaged, and consider investing in paid ads to reach a wider audience. Remember, consistency is key. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and refine your strategy based on what's working. Regular interaction with your audience helps build a loyal community around your brand. And don't forget about scaling. As your side hustle grows, you'll need to think about how to manage increased demand and continue to provide excellent service. Once your side hustle is up and running, look for ways to automate or delegate tasks. Automation tools can help streamline repetitive tasks, while delegating can free up your time to focus on more strategic aspects of your business. This will free up your time and allow you to focus on expanding your business, whether that's through adding new products, exploring additional revenue streams, or even turning your side hustle into a full-time gig. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today, and with dedication and hard work, your side hustle can become a thriving business. Celebrate your successes, learn from your failures, and keep pushing forward. The sky's the limit. If you're serious about turning your side hustle into a high-profit machine, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more in-depth guides and strategies. And as always, hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Let's make 2024 the year you take control of your future.